friend. I'm so glad you're here to help me cook today. Today, I'm going to be making a delicious chicken meal full of flavor and tomatoey sauce, accompanied with some garlic rice. So, if you're ready, let's get started.
Morning breaks, the world is loud. Heartbeats running, thoughts in clouds. I'm sinking in this restless sea. Then I feel your peace in me. You calm the waves inside of me. You speak and all my fears fall asleep. In every storm I hear you breathe. You calm the waves inside of me. Shadows stretch across my mind. Old regrets and borrowed time. But you reach into the deep. Pull me close and let me breathe. You calm the waves inside of me. You speak and all my fears fall asleep. In every storm I hear you breathe. You calm the waves inside of me. When I lose my way, I call your name. Oh, in the wildest wind you stay the same. In the quiet you are holding me. Till all that's left is mercy. See, you calm the waves inside of me. You speak and all my fears fall asleep. In every storm I hear you breathe. You calm the waves inside of me. You calm the waves inside of me. Yeah.
Moving light on my window, quiet cup in my shaking hands. All my plans feel like paper blowing out of my careful plans. But your word sits on my table, red lines, pages worn and bent. Every promise like an anchor in the storm of my intent. You sustain me when I stumble, when I fall. You sustain me when I barely breathe at all. In my weakness, you are strong, you never leave. You sustain me, you sustain me. You sustain me.
rocky ground. When the waves get high, you just pull me out. I remember now what is always true. I am held by you. I am held by you. I turn my eyes to you. All of the noise fades out. I feel your peace come through. Softer than every doubt. Right here in all I do. I turn my eyes to you. I turn my eyes to you. Morning light on my window. Quiet grace in this room. All my lists on the table. All my fears in bloom. But your voice in the stillness cuts through every lie I choose. You just whisper, come and lay it down. And I've got nothing left to prove. I rest in you. Every breath, every burden. I rest in you. All my striving finally done. I lean into your kindness like a child who's running home. I rest in you. I'm not alone. In the rush of the evening, when I replay the day, every word, every failure, everything I didn't say. You don't come here accusing, you just sit by my side. You remind me of your mercy and the wounds that opened wide. I rest in you. Every breath, every burden. I rest in you. All my striving finally done. I lean into your kindness like a child who's running home. I rest in you. I'm not alone. When the dark feels deeper than the truth I know, hold my heart together. Teach my feet to slow. I rest in you. Every breath, every burden. I rest in you. All my fighting finally through. I lean into your promise. You are making all things new. rest on my plans. I bring what is broken, lay it all in your hands. Silence in my chest, storm in my head. You answer my trembling with mercy instead. In sweet surrender, I fall into your grace. Every fear grows smaller in the light of your face. In sweet surrender, I lose what held me down. You lift my heart to heaven, set my feet on solid ground.